in Macan Erickson and in Cambodia with brand solutions and also graphic design. So, you know, just returning back the favor to the students. For them to like get out of the box because UST is, you know, a big box. I played for Skies of Ember before. When I was with Macan, I was living a double life as an art director and a rock star at night. But yeah, but that was, yeah. Basically it's an outlet kasi pag nasa advertising ka, mamamatay ka doon ng dilat. So, kailangan mo nang may gawin na different.